My name is Peter Calvert. I am the Site Engineering Manager at Bert Snacks, now part of Europe Snacks Group. It's a really good place to be, especially in the engineering team. We're more of a family, especially in the engineering department. We are a great team, a very large camaraderie amongst the engineers. I have no animosity between any of the shifts at all, and it's great working with them. And they really are a great team of engineers. It's a growing business. It's a very rapid growing business, and within a couple of years we should be achieving the £1 billion mark per year, which is a massive achievement. Within the Europe Snacks Group, Leicester has been earmarked as the most suitable candidate for growth. So all the growth that's happening within the group is happening here at the Leicester site. Everybody thrives here, really, to be fair. There's no complaints from any engineers at all. They all love working here. I strongly promote anyone that wants to progress in the business, and I welcome it. And they have my full backing and support. I've given various types of training for the engineers. I have recently sent engineers on PLC training. I have sent 3 of my engineers on the fundamentals of electrics 1, and I have just signed off the PO for fundamentals of electrics 2. And my site service technician is also going for fundamentals of electrics training. So I do offer a large amount of training. Other than being a very close-knit engineering team that offers a substantial amount of support with each other, which you don't really find anywhere else. It's phenomenal, it really is. Don't be afraid to make the move. Your future is in good hands.